When both PCI and PCIX devices are present on the bus, the PCIX transfers information at the Option A. Slowest device on that bus. Option B. Fastest device on that bus. Option C. Each individual device. Option D. The default speed setting in BIOS. The correct answer is option A. Which PCI cards will fit into a volt PCI slot? Option A. 3.3 volt only. Option B. Universal only. Option C. 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Option D. Universal and 3.3 volt. The correct answer is option D. When troubleshooting a problem, what is the purpose of evaluating the data? Option A. To isolate faults to a hardware or software subsystem. Option B. To explain the failure mode to the customer. Option C. To verify that you have changed the correct part. Option D. To assure that the problem has been corrected. The correct answer is option A. The LEDs of disk drives indicate the HP Smart Array Controller read/write operations during periods of inactive because of Option A. Automatic Server Recovery, ASR. Option B. Dynamic Sector Repair, DSR. Option C. Emergency Monitoring Service, EMS. Option D. Automatic Array Monitoring, AAM. The correct answer is option B.